Question here is, are you sleepwalking? Did you know before I learned all of this, I thought that I was awake? I thought that I was living my life according to what I want? But in reality, I realized that everything that was happening to me was programmed. Na-programa sang pagkabata ko gali. No, I was like a zombie. I was running in autopilot the way I think. Halina sang pagkabata ko when I was young. The way I reacted. And when I was able to experience all those things, personal development, I realized that damo pa ko gali, kailangan mabalaan about myself. No, sa una, palabasol sa akon, I would complain a lot, I would blame a lot, nga amuning akon sitwasyon. Akon to gali, man, programs. It was my old programs. And when I was able to finally awaken, and I realized that I was in charge of my life. That's the biggest breakthrough I got. Ako gali ang in charge sa pangabuhi ko.